Okay. And let me share my screen. Let me know when you can see it. Guys, can you see my screen? Yes, okay. And first thing that you need to use our application for education is a GitHub. I hope that everyone has a GitHub account. So, first of all, we should sign in your account. Okay, let's do it. And here we should know your GitHub name. It's strange, but it is important for us. Next step. Let me share the link with you. Please, guys, check your chat, and here you'll find a link for our application. Did you find the link? Okay, and let's sign up with GitHub account. Without this account, you will not be able to join us. And here we can see the registration page. Please, guys, spend several minutes to enter your correct dates. In the location, you may enter your city. Let it be if you didn't find your city, you may enter either nearest city or, for instance, in the field other location, you may enter here your city. And Gmail. Okay. Let's registration. And yep, I'm agree. Submit. And finally, I'm here. What interesting you can find here? One important thing is a score. Here, you will see all students and a score for this student. Also, here you will find a task you should resolve. Let's return. I have a little bit more functionality than you, but don't worry, it's okay. And let's start from your first task. Here you can see Code Wars Stage 1. Let's click it. And it is your first task. Here a set of tasks are on Code Wars, and you should resolve each task. And Let's do it together, for instance, with the first one. Do you know what the code was? Have you ever used this platform? Yes. Nope. Okay. I'm missing out. And if you use this platform, firstly, you should to see this page. And we are going to learn JavaScript, so let's choose JavaScript. And you should resolve this task. What do you think? What I should add to resolve this task? Okay. Definitely, you're right. We should add return and click submit. Finally, oh, we we go through all tasks. Okay. Oh, I have the account. So I log in and you may create an account. And in the chat was related to where this list with task again. Okay, back to the RS app, and here we should choose score. Okay, then in this score you should click Code Bars Stage 1. And bingo, we see the tasks. Okay, did you good? Sorry, I wanted to ask, is there any chat for interaction? But how I see in there, right? I'm not sure that I correctly understand this question. Please rephrase it. And let's resolve first task. And the task is resolved string. Complete the solution so that it reserves the string value passed on it. Let's try. We have a function that got a string, and we should reverse this string. Do you have any ideas for this task? Okay. String reverse. Let's try. Esther reverse. Reverse. Again. And firstly, we should test. Is it okay? But not. It's not okay. Do you have another ideas? We need put arguments. Okay, return string reverse. Let's add return. And test. No, return didn't help. What we should do? Okay. Start, split, reverse, and join. Yes, guys, you're right. Let's start from the question. Does string have a reverse method? No. So we should do an array from the string. So we should use split. Then we should reverse the array. And after that, we should return a string. So we should use the join method for it. Let's try. Click test. Bingo! First test is passed. But when we click attempt, our task will go through a lot of tests. Let's see. Okay, a lot of each form. If we pass all tests, we may click submit. Yeah, submit. Ah. Okay, after submit, we have a possibility to see all solutions from other students or people. And basically, first line of these solutions it's in one row. But from my point of view, it's not readable. So I prefer solutions that I clearly understand. So you may write this one solution, but it also work. Okay, so we resolved first task, but how I should inform our REST application about it? This task was checked by autotest. So let's choose code vars, and here I should enter my code vars account. My account in code vars. Here I click my profile, and here I can see my account name, and I enter it here. From Codvirus, yes. But we can write ES6 solution as well. Yes, guys, you may write any applicable for you solution. Again, we click Auto Test, choose a CodeVar Stage 1, then you enter your CodeVars account and click Submit. Let's see. Find score. Let's try find my name. Where is my name? Wow. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm here. But it's still 0. Why? Because it's refresh every 5 minutes. So we should wait a couple of minutes and see what will be here. And Something went wrong. From CodeVirus, magic of OC. Should we submit once after completing all the tasks? Current task we may submit once, but it got your results by scripts every 5 minutes. It will update it. And let's back to CodeVars. Who has never used it, I really recommended this platform. And let's see. I click home. It's a lot of tasks, but most interesting part is kata. I don't know why task is called kata, but let it be. Let's choose your language. We are going to learn JavaScript. Okay. And as you can see, there are a lot of tasks. But each task has different difficulty. The most easy task is HQ. The most completable 1Q. So for this home task, I mean qualifying task, almost all kata would be 8, 7, and 6. It's not hard. Let's update this page and try again to find me. Yeah, I got 20 points. Kata is from Japanese material arts. Probably you're right. Score depends on what? Score depends on a task you have resolved. Okay, the scoring criteria. Here will be 2 points for each HQ task. 3 points you will get for 7Q task, and 4 points for 6Q tasks. And the maximum would be 60 points. For a moment. Solution. Okay, can you please show again on how to connect CodeWars to my account in RSSchool? Okay. Firstly, we go home. The next step, we click Auto Test. Here, we choose the task we resolved, CodeWars Stage 1. Next point, we enter your CodeWars account and click Submit. And here we can see I did it twice. You enter your account ID during task submission. Vladislav, last option, auto test. You got the option. Have the same solution and have. Guys, as you can see, I have resolved a lot of tasks, and probably some of these tasks were resolved before. So you may have 1, 2, 3 points. It's okay. And finally, probably somebody forgot, but we have a Telegram channel, and I'm recommended you join us. Here the link. In this channel, we will answer you all questions. Probably we may recommend you some useful link or something else. Okay? Do you have any questions? And in the scheduler, you can see that deadline for this task is 17th of March. It means that at the start of 7th of March, you should submit all these tasks. Okay? Okay, the doc with a scheduler. Currently, I send you in the chat, and after this webinar, I'm duplicated in the Telegram channel. Okay? And we should have 60 points by 7 March. It would be grateful if you have 60 points. Yeah, you should resolve all of 22 tasks. And as you know, or probably know, if you didn't resolve the task but try to see the solution, this task became a kind of unresolved. You will not get the points for this task. How score will affect our progress? Guys, the number of mentors is limited, so we can provide a mentor for everyone. So after you resolve this task, we may understand how much person needs in us, and after that we will find as much mentors as we can. And if the number of mentors was less than we need, we should to expel some of with the some from the bottom of score. Let me, for instance, oh, some person has 0, or this person regularly fails the deadline, or this person didn't follow the mentor's recommendation. So we will expel some such student. Are you okay with it? So just to clarify, mentors gonna be provided for guys with smaller score or only for highest one? No, guys, mentors would be provided for every student, not with high or small score. It doesn't matter. So you must know JavaScript before. Yeah, but this task is not for this task. It's enough to read several articles in Google or resolve some task in code wars. It's enough to spend 1 to 2 week on, for instance, learn JavaScript info. I guess if you want to learn JavaScript, you should spend several time for self-education and decide whether it's interesting for everyone. Smaller score will be out. Yeah, capitalism rules. Elsa, how does mentors pick up tasks to discuss? Does this mentors day mean the same webinar mode and looking through hopefully at the task? Okay. This task is checked by script, but set of tasks were checked by mentors. You will push your task in GitHub. Mentors will check it, leave several comments or set of comments. Then the mentors submit your final score for this task. What about Mentors Day? After all mentors check your tasks, one of them analyze your typical mistakes and so on, and conduct a webinar where you discuss these mistakes, how it may be improved, or any recommendation related to this task. I learned Python with CodeWars. I'm sure you can learn JS with it. Agree, fully agree. No more time for learning everything. Can you please tell more about interview that will take place in April? Okay, what about interview? From my practice, I know that you may know everything, but you too worried during the interview and you couldn't answer, you couldn't organize yourself and so on. So it's a tricky challenge for everyone, for me as well, to pass the interview. So during the course we provide 4 interviews for everyone, and this interview split on themes. First one more related to HTML, CSS, and base data structure. Next one, all interviews will be conducted in online form. Next interview will be related to Core.js. Next one, React Redux or Angular. Let's see. And finally, it's an interview related to all our materials. This interview help you to pass any interview after this course. For us, it help to understand what gaps you have and how we can help you to cover these gaps. Is it clear for you? It's like examination if there's some score for this as well. Guys, the interview, it's not for score, it's for you. And after the interview, mentors will provide you recommendation, links, and so on. We want to help you. Okay? Oh, yeah. Okay, do you have another question? Could you clarify about algorithm? It means that you may sort array or string, and you know about sorting. You know how to find the smallest number of array or something else. How long does this webinar would be? I don't know. Depends on your question. So we make task on converts till deadline. So the dates on the doc are the date of the webinar. Can you show again how to connect converts and GitHub? Yes, that was pretty fast. How to connect CodeWars and GitHub? Okay, let me think out. First, you should choose JavaScript, resolve this task, and submit. Next one, after this registration, you click Login, and here we can log in with GitHub account. It's magic on the hood. You said something about pushing solution to GitHub. Am I right? Yeah, you are right. After qualification task, we create for everyone a private account, and you will push all your solution in a particular branch where your mentor will check it. On the webinars, when webinars happen. I don't understand. Okay. What about date of webinars? Here, the name of lecture or webinars. The red line is a deadline of each task. Here you can see the day when task will get in for everyone. And here date, the name of webinars. Good work. Okay. Do you have additional questions? Seems no. So I guess we may stop this webinar. However, we are in Telegram chat. You may leave questions there and we try to answer it. Okay? Yeah. Have a good evening probably. Bye bye.